Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to be basically doing my brows. If you're still interested, keep on watching. All right, so I'm going to basically talk about how I achieve my brows. I am no expert to say. I still play around with them. Sometimes they look too fierce, they look too crazy, they be out of lines, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube tutorials and I'm trying to perfect them. But this was a request video and I'm gonna go ahead and provide this video and I hope you guys enjoy. So basically I use two products. I use MAC and I use Niccktownsend, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you my Old Faithfuls first. And for my Old Faithfuls, I use MAC. I use MAC in Stud. Okay, and I'm gonna show you, this is basically the dual where you have the spoolie and then of course you have the retractable kind. And don't mind me right now, like I have no makeup on my face whatsoever, so I'm kind of fresh. I just basically have a little bit of Brocellé, the concentrated cream on my face, and that's about it. And I use Spike, and this is the old version before they created this dual pack part. And this is the color Spike. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then this is the color Stud. Sorry about the lights. It's gonna always do it. Now, in order for me to clean up my brows, I usually use Bobbi Brown and I use the color Chestnut. Okay, and I use my BH Cosmetics brush. You can use any type of angle brush. All right, and the next one I usually use, what I'm gonna basically do is I'm gonna do one side Nick and then one side MAC so you can actually see how I achieve now. Now this items I came across on Instagram. Niccktownsend is a brow expert. He has a beauty salon in Philadelphia and he does a lot of celebrities and tinting, shaping, and basically I came across his Instagram page, Niccktownsend, and it's spelled N-I-C-C-K Townsend. So let me show you how you spell his name. All right, I hope you guys can see it. All right, now I came across his page and I just love the way he does brows. It's just beautiful. Now, these right here are called Brow Sketch in Audrey and also in Grace. Grace is like a black, like the deepest black he has, and this is like a dark brown black. They're basically retractable. They have dual sides, and these are $21. So you have the spoolie on one side, and then you have the retractable. I love these. This gives you an intense look. All right, and then of course he has the Just Everything pencil in deep ebony, and this is $12.99. And what this is just to basically clean up. Instead of using a concealer, this is like a cream pencil. And the best part about this is because it has a sharpener. So this is the color, and it actually has a sharpener on top, so you can basically shave. So I'm basically shaving it right now. All right, so you guys can actually see the color, and this is what the color looks like. Let me put that down real quick. All right, and he has two different colors. So this would be perfect for anybody who is my skin tone, and they have one that's very lighter than this. All right, so let's go ahead and get this started. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side with the Nick, and I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm just gonna basically use the spoolie from MAC real quick to kind of brush my eyebrows a little bit up. And basically what I do is I create a line. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and use Grace. I'm gonna do this side with Nick. All right, so I do that. Retract it up a little bit. And a little bit more. Okay, I hope you guys can see. And I just basically trace it in. I try not to go past this part because if you go past it, it just doesn't look right. So, and then I just go on top, trace it, and try to go as much as possible how my brow shape looks, where the hair grows. All right, so that's that. And sometimes I'll go in a little bit. And what I'm doing is basically creating soft strokes to just fill it in a little bit. Just soft strokes. Okay. I usually don't go this far down with the color. All right, so with that, I just basically, I'm gonna take the MAC spoolie. I have a spoolie, but it's not on the table, so I'm not gonna sit here and stop and restart this again. So, and I just go upward a little bit. Some people go down, but I just keep it upward. And then I'll use the Audrey a little bit to kind of give it like an ombre look at the front. All right, you'll see. I just do light strokes in the front. Okay. So that's that. And go back and forth until I actually get the desired look I want. And this is so creamy. It's more creamy than the MAC. I can tell you that much. All right, so that's that. And I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I need to be plucking my eyebrows, but I'm not gonna do that right now. All right, so I think the whole point of the spoolie is to kind of blend it in a little bit. I prefer a dirty spoolie, to be honestly with you, because you have product on there and it works effortlessly. All right, so that's the desired look. And what I'm going to basically do is take the everything pencil and then just go underneath it and clean it up. All right, and go on top. All right, so that's that, and that looks weird. Then I will go with a BH Cosmetics brush and then just clean it up a little bit. And just clean it up. I usually use my Anastasia number 12, but I don't have it on this table right now. And I can see why women do this off camera, because it's time consuming. All right, so that's basically how I do one side of the brow. And I go back in. Like I said, I don't have any foundation on or anything like that, so I will clean it up a little bit more. And then I will set it with Anastasia gel. And just basically make sure everything is in place, that I like the shape. Okay, so that's that. The next one, I swear I don't do brows really well. The next one I'm gonna use, like I said, I'm gonna do this side with the MAC. And I'm gonna start with Stud to basically outline the eye. And I just start from right here. I don't usually start down here, but sometimes, I don't know. Okay. And I have a scar right here from an early age of trying to do my eyebrows. that I had no business doing. And I basically cut myself. So I have a nice little reminder of Jolene being too grown at an early age doing makeup. All right, so then I'm gonna take the spike. And the thing about why they discontinued this, because it's so not retractable, it doesn't go down. So once you pull it up, it's a wrap. It really is. Like right there, that's dark. That's too much. So I'm gonna blend it down a little bit and then blend it back up. The thing about these is if you make a mistake, you can always correct it. There's no right or wrong way in my book. It's all about preferences. Okay, so I'm just gonna come back down a little bit. And this one is really dark. I don't know why it's coming out so pigmented. All right, so there we go. I'm gonna brush them in a little bit. And then you can just create light hair strokes. I'm gonna create a box look, but then eventually I'm going to basically erase it. Okay. All right, so that's that. Now I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown and I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics brush. I'm gonna dip it in there, okay. And then I'm just gonna basically outline. Now I'm not quite sure, I think I spent like $28 or I wanna say $28 on this, and I got this a long time ago. Alright, sorry about the dog, that's my mom's dog. Okay. Oh shit, dog's gonna bark. All right, so basically, all right, and as you can see where that scar is, it's so prominent, so sometimes I have to fill it in just a little bit. All right. All right. Then when I put on my concealer, powder, whatever, all this whiteness will go away big time, okay? So it looked like I have a unibrow right now. Don't ask me how I get them to be shaped up. Sometimes it's a hit and miss. Sometimes if I overpluck them, I have to allow them to grow back in. All right, and then least, I will go ahead and use my Anastasia. This is like a little free sample clear brow gel I've had. And I just basically put them in place. If I don't like my eyebrows, I'll keep on tweaking it until I actually get it the way I want to. Like, I swear both my eyebrows are not like proportioned at all. And I do talk a lot. Like, for example, you can see how this is really thin and then how this is really thick. I will probably play with it until I get the desired look. And you can always correct it with the concealer. Like to shape it up the way you want. Like right there, I just basically shaped it by removing so much. Okay. one's a bit too pointy, and I try not to go past that. All right, guys, so this is the finished product. We have one side Niccktownsend, and then we have the other side with Mac and Bobbi Brown. So basically this is how I create my eyebrows. It's nothing really spectacular. I'm still learning. I'm still watching YouTube tutorials like everybody else. Sometimes it depends on what I'm doing, but this part will definitely go away when I add my foundation or my powder. So like I said, my face is completely bare and I will basically make it up in a few hours. But this is just a short video to show you how I came up with my brows. I will leave a description of all the products I use in the description box. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.